Crack the code of separable phrasal verbs. Hello everyone! In today's lesson, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic: separable phrasal verbs. By mastering these, you can give your English speaking and writing a big boost. They might seem tricky at first, but don't worry, we're here to break them down together. Let's get started. Before we dive into examples, it's important to know what separable phrasal verbs are. A phrasal verb is a verb combined with a preposition or an adverb. When it's separable, it means that you can insert an object, a noun or pronoun, between the verb and the preposition, adverb. Example: turn off the lights. Here, turn off is a separable phrasal verb and the lights is the object. You could also say, turn the lights off. Now that you understand the concept, let's look at some examples. 1. Take off. This phrasal verb often means to remove something. 2. For example, please, take off your shoes. Or, please, take your shoes off. 3. Put on. This phrasal verb usually means to wear something. 4. For example, I need to put on my glasses. Or, I need to put my glasses on. 5. Break up. This means to end a relationship or separate something into pieces. 6. For example, they decided to break up. Or, they decided to break their relationship up. 7. Give up. This phrasal verb means to quit or stop trying. 8. For example, don't give up on your dreams. Or, don't give your dreams up. Notice how the object can be placed in the middle of the phrasal verb or at the end. That's what makes these phrasal verbs separable. Let's try some practice exercises together. 1. Turn on the TV. Turn the TV on. 2. Set up the meeting. Set the meeting up. 3. Bring back the book. Bring the book back. Now, try to create your own sentences using separable phrasal verbs. Remember, practice makes perfect. And there we have it. A closer look at separable phrasal verbs. They're a key part of mastering the English language and can really add depth to your conversations. I hope this video has been helpful. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it. See you in our next lesson.